Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Sony MDR-ZX110AP wired headphones. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the headphones, the Sony and the Sony branding on the top, and the model number is underneath that. Over here on the bottom left, we have a close-up image of the inline control module with the multifunction button. On the left-hand side of the package, we have a barcode and a couple of the salient features, which include hands-free phone calls and a compact folding design. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom, and nor is there anything on the right-hand side of the package either. On the back, we have a couple of images on the top. The first one on the left is an image of the headphones in its completely folded state. And on the right hand side, we have an illustration of the multifunction button and the various uses of it. Basically, it can be used to play or pause the music, and it can be used to answer and end calls. Below the first image, we have a few of the specifications. We'll go through the important ones only. The specifications include a driver unit size of 30 mm. It has an impedance of 24 ohms at 1 kilohertz, sensitivity of 98 decibels, frequency response ranges from 12 Hz to 22,000 Hz. The cable length is approximately 1.2 meters long and has a Y shape, and the weight of the product without the cable is 120 grams. To the right hand side, we have a few of the features. Once again, hands-free phone calls, which we have already gone through, tangle-free serrated cable, the both-sided cable design, which basically means that a cable will run from both ear cups, and the cable length, which we have already gone through. Underneath that, we have a sticker which has the importing and manufacturing information, and on the bottom of that sticker, we have the information regarding the customer care, the Sony India customer care. In the middle here, we can see that we have the black variant of the headphones, and on the right, we have an illustration of the connector type and a little description that says that it is the L-shaped gold-plated 4-pole mini plug design. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. In the box, what we get is some literature in the form of an instruction manual. This should help you get started off with using the product and understanding the different functions of the button. And it's in multiple languages. Coming to the headphones themselves, we can see that we get them in its completely folded up state. And we can open them up like this. First impressions, we can see that it has a grainy plastic finish all across it, except on the sides right here and right here, where it is a shiny glossy black. And we have the left and right indicators on each cup. The ear cups are pretty flexible and can be rotated along the Y-axis. You have pretty soft ear pads as well. Coming to the headband, we can see that it can be extended quite a lot and it can fit a plethora of head sizes. The insides are made from plastic. Coming to the cable, we already know that it is approximately 1.2 meters long. And here we can see the inline control module. It has the single multifunction button on it, which we have already gone through the uses of on the box. Next, we have this 3.5 mm audio jack. It is of the TRRS kind, and it is gold plated as well, although it might not be very visible on camera. To get started with using the headphones, all we need is a compatible device. In this case, we will be using an Android smartphone. Once connected, the headphones are ready for use and you can use it to listen to your favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Sony MDR-ZX110AP wired headphones. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.